Welcome to the PowerPoint Polling New Users tutorial. If you have not yet done so, please take this opportunity to download the steps for running a PowerPoint polling presentation. This 10-step document will be your guideposts for running the presentation in the classroom. If your students are using response cards, your first step will be to plug the receiver into the USB port. Step 2 is to launch the Turning Point software. Step number 3 is to verify the connection. Verify connection basically means be sure that the receiver channel is the same as the student's response card channels. If you are using Responseware, now is the time where you would log in. Step number 4 is an optional step, which is to select your participant list. Step number 5 is to now select where it reads PowerPoint Polling. Once PowerPoint opens, you are now ready for your next step, which is to open your presentation. Once your presentation opens, you are now ready for step number 7, which is to reset the session. Resetting the session will eliminate any previously saved information on the slide. Step number 8 is to now run the presentation. Once in presentation mode and you land on a turning point slide, polling will open up automatically. In the upper right hand corner, just to the left of the polling open, we can now see how many of our students have answered in real time. Once we can view that all of our students have responded, one advance on your slide will now close the polling and display your results. Once you are done with your entire presentation, you are now ready for step number 9, which is to save the session. Saving the session is an optional step, and you will only need to save the session if you plan on generating the reports at a later time. To save the session, click on the Save button on the Turning Point toolbar and then select Save Session. Name your session and then click Save again. This now concludes the PowerPoint polling tutorial.